Ready to dive into the world of social media but not sure where to start? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Today we're exploring the top 5 tips to kickstart your social media journey. Let's make your digital footprint unforgettable. Tip number 1, choose your platforms wisely. Are you feeling overwhelmed by the sea of platforms? Start by focusing on 1 or 2 that align with your interests or goals. Whether it's Instagram for visuals, X for quick thoughts, or LinkedIn for professional networking, pick your arena and master it. Tip number 2, define your brand voice. Your social media is your digital persona. So what's your vibe? Friendly and casual or professional and formal? Decide how you want to be perceived and be consistent across your posts. Your unique voice is your social media superpower. Tip number 3, content is king. Content is the heart of social media. Focus on creating original, engaging, and valuable content. Mix it up with videos, images, and text posts to keep your audience hooked. Remember, quality over quantity. Tip number 4, engagement is queen. If content is king, then engagement is queen. Respond to comments, participate in discussions, and connect with your audience. Building relationships is key to growing your following and making your social media presence shine. Tip number 5, learn and adapt. The digital landscape is always evolving, so stay curious, keep learning, and adapt your strategy as you grow. Use analytics to understand what works and refine your approach. Your flexibility will lead to your social media success. And there you have it, 5 essential tips to jumpstart your social media journey. Choose your platforms, define your brand voice, focus on quality content, engage with your audience, and never stop learning. The digital world is your oyster, so start exploring. Like these tips? Hit the like button, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Dive into the social media wave with confidence and let the world hear your digital roar. Got questions or need someone to guide you through the social media maze? Just drop a comment below and I'll help you out. Thank you for watching.